Vivid English Avenue Stories Channel.
Have you ever trusted someone and they broke your heart? Have you ever shown kindness but received pain instead? Sometimes life teaches us the hardest lessons through the people we try to help. This story will touch your heart and open your eyes. Part 1. Listen carefully to the story. Part 2. Answer questions to test your listening, reading, and comprehension skills. Let's begin. The Farmer and the Snake. A2 English listening story. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by trees and hills, there lived a simple and kind farmer. His life wasn't rich with money, but it was rich with peace and kindness. Every morning he woke up early to take care of his cows, chickens, and crops. He loved nature and believed that all living things deserved care. One cold winter day, the sky was gray, and snow covered the fields like a white blanket. The wind was strong, and the trees made loud sounds as they moved. The farmer walked slowly to check on his animals. On his way, he saw something strange lying on the snow-covered road. He stopped and looked closely. It was a snake. The snake was long, dark, and still. It wasn't moving. It looked almost dead. The cold had frozen its body. Its skin was covered in snow and ice. It couldn't open its eyes or move its tongue. The farmer felt sorry for it. "Oh, poor creature," he whispered. "You'll die in this cold. I must help you. Maybe I can save your life." Even though many people are afraid of snakes, the farmer was not. He believed that all animals deserved kindness, even a snake. He carefully picked up the frozen snake with his gloves. It was as cold as ice in his hands. He placed it inside his thick coat, close to his chest, hoping his body heat would warm it up. "Don't worry," he said softly. "You'll be safe at my house." The farmer arrived home. He took off his wet boots and hung up his coat. Then he gently took the snake out and placed it on a soft rug near the fireplace. He added some wood to the fire. The flames grew stronger and the room became warmer. At first, the snake didn't move. But after some time, its body slowly began to unfreeze. The farmer watched with a smile. "Yes, you're coming back to life," he said. "You'll be fine soon." He went to the kitchen, made some hot tea for himself, and returned to sit near the fire. Then it happened. The snake opened its eyes. It raised its head. It looked around. And suddenly, it bit the farmer on his hand. "Ah!" He screamed in pain. His cup of tea dropped to the floor. His hand began to hurt badly. The farmer stared at the snake, shocked and heartbroken. Why did you bite me?" he cried. "I saved you. I gave you warmth. I gave you a second chance to live. Why would you hurt someone who helped you?" The snake calmly replied, "You knew what I was. I'm a snake. It's in my nature to bite. You gave me life, but I gave you the truth. You should not be surprised." The moral: be kind, but protect yourself. This story is more than just a tale about a snake and a farmer. It's a lesson for all of us. The farmer had a good heart. He believed in helping others. He gave warmth, shelter, and love. But the snake didn't change. It stayed dangerous. Because that was its nature. In life, some people are like that snake. They may seem weak, ask for help, and look innocent. But when they get what they want, they might hurt you, use you, or betray your trust. What about you? Have you ever helped someone who didn't value your kindness? Did you learn something from that moment? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear your story. Remember this: your kindness is a gift, but not everyone deserves it. Be kind, but don't lose yourself. Be helpful, but be wise. Kindness without wisdom can bring pain. So protect your heart and grow stronger from every lesson life teaches you. Thank you for joining Vivid English Avenue Stories today. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, stories are not just for listening. They're for learning, reflecting, and becoming the best version of yourself. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again with more stories that teach, inspire, and help you speak English with confidence. This is Vivid English Avenue, where stories come alive. Great job listening. Now let's test your English. Choose the correct answer and say the answer out loud with confidence. You're getting better every day. Let's go. What does the word innocent mean in the story? Answer: kind and not harmful. What does the word betray mean in the story? Answer: to hurt someone who trusted you. What was the farmer like? Answer: simple and kind. What did the farmer do when he saw the snake? Answer: he picked it up and tried to save it. Where did the farmer put the snake to warm it up? Answer: inside his coat. What did the snake do after it became warm? Answer: bit the farmer. How did the farmer feel after the snake bit him? Answer: shocked and heartbroken. What lesson does the story teach? Answer: be kind, but protect yourself. Why did the snake bite the farmer? Answer: it's in the snake's nature. What does the story say about some people? Answer: they are like snakes and can hurt you. How many did you get right? 10 out of 10? Comment below. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Keep practicing and speaking out loud. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories. See you in the next video. Keep growing with vivid English Avenue stories.